have always wanted to add a game to my website. Something simple but fun, something that grabs attention and keeps people hooked. So I created this interactive 3D effect using Spline. It's a domino knocking game where you control a ball with your keyboard, roll it around, knock over the domino structure however you want. And you can refresh the page anytime to start over. But that's just the beginning. Spline isn't just for games. You can add interactive 3D elements to your Elementor page, like this animated Ludo board where pieces fall dynamically, responding to real physics. Or this futuristic robot that follows your mouse as you move. Sounds cool, right? Let me show you exactly how to bring these effects to life. First, head over to spline.design and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a list of recent designs. Navigate to the community section to explore different templates. Use the search bar to find the domino effect and select one that fits your style. If you want to tweak it or make it your own, click Remix to open the design in the Spline editor, where you can modify the effects, interactions, and animations. If you don't find a domino effect in the community section, don't worry, you can also access it from the library. Just go to the library tab and select interactive 3D from the available categories. From there, choose the domino effect template and it will open in the editor ready for customization. Now let's start editing in the Spline's 3D editor. Inside the editor, you can play the animation as it is or customize it further. Select the sphere. This is the ball that will knock over the dominoes. To fine-tune its movement, go to the Events panel and find the Game Controller section. Here you can adjust the rotation delay, speed, and key controls to make the interaction smoother. The domino pieces themselves already have physics enabled, which means they'll behave realistically when hit. If you want to tweak their movement or timing, you can do that by adjusting their properties inside the editor. Once everything looks good, it's time to export. Click on Export, adjust the place settings to fit in your needs, and then click Update URL. Copy the embed code. Now it's ready to be placed inside Elementor. Now let's integrate this effect into your Elementor page. Open Elementor and drag in an HTML widget. Paste the copied Spline embed code. Adjust the height and width to fit your design. And that's it. Your interactive domino effect is now live on your website. You can move the ball around using the WASD keys and the domino structure will fall in real time, creating an engaging experience for your visitors. Now, while all of this looks great, adding multiple 3D elements can sometimes slow down your website. That's where Airlift comes in. Airlift automatically optimizes scripts and animations, keeping your site fast without losing visual quality. If you're adding heavy elements like Spline 3D objects, you'll want Airlift to ensure everything runs smoothly without affecting load time. Try it out on airlift.net and see how it boosts the performance instantly. But Spline does so much more than just dominoes. Want to add more interactive elements to your website? Let's take this 3D Ludo board as an example. Here, different elements drop from the top and interact with the board naturally using physics-based motion. You can even animate the board so that it expands dynamically when loaded. Another amazing effect is this robot that follows your mouse movement, making your page feel even more interactive and futuristic. The only drawback I noticed is that the free version of Spline includes a watermark on all animations and some features are restricted. If you want full access without limitations, upgrading to the Pro version is an option. That said, the free version is still incredibly powerful. What do you think? What's the first 3D effect you would add to your site? Click here if you want to 3x your site speed in just 1 minute. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Click here and I'll see you there.